Welcome back. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar is on the Make in Goa job. The Defence Ministry will nominate Goa Shipyard to build 8 specialised mine countermeasure vessels with foreign collaboration. Tender will be issued soon. The ministry is all set to scrap the long pending deal for South Korean MCMVs. MCMVs are highly specialised small warships that detect, track and destroy enemy mines to keep shipping traffic safe.
Goa Shipyard in Vasco is the first defence public sector undertaking. Manohar Parrikar visited soon after he took over as India's defence minister. During the inspection of the facilities, Parrikar has appreciated the GSL team and the building capabilities of the GSL compared with other shipyards.
Goa Shipyard जरी लहान असले तरी बाकीच्या अन्य डिफेन्स शिपयार्डापेक्षा गोवा शिपयार्डाकडे टेक्निकल कॅपेबिलिटी खूप सुबेस आहे.
There are allegations that the agents have vitiated the entire selection process of MCMVs. The MCMV deal was finalized with the South Korean company Gangnam during UPA-2 regime in the year 2011. The entire selection process of the MCMVs, which began way back in July 2005, was under a cloud of suspicions since Gangnam hired agents to facilitate the deal.
अनेक डिफेन्स डील वेगवेगळ्या भ्रष्टाचाराच्या घेऱ्यान अडकलेल्या अशें लक्षात आयलें आनी ही बेगीतल्या बेगीन मेकळी करून घेवपाची गरज आसा कारण ती घेतली ना जाल्यार आर्मीची कॅपेबिलिटीचेर परिणाम जावंक शकता.
Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar flew to Delhi from Goa on Sunday evening. The fresh MCMV proposal for GSL is on Defence Minister Parrikar's table. Earlier on Friday, he had visited GSL and held talks with the top officials. Under the new RFP, all the 8 MCMVs will now be built in India by the Goa Shipyard. Sources informed media in Delhi that the final decision to scrap the original MCMV tender for the South Korean MCMVs is likely in the next few days. Parrikar had already made it clear that the lone defence PSU in Goa will get significant business share in Prime Minister Modi's Make in India plan.
Make in India ह्या कॉन्सेप्टा सकयल गोवा शिपयार्ड ऑर्डर बुक भरपूर भरचो ही म्हजी मोख आसतली, ही म्हजें एक टार्गेट आसतलें. तांची कॅपेबिलिटी जी आसा तातूंत भितर एक 8 मायनीच्यो आसत, मायन्स काडणारी बोटी आसत.
MCMVs are required to keep harbours open and safe. These are highly specialised small warships that detect, track and destroy enemy mines to keep shipping traffic safe. This would be Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar's first big defence deal for a Goa-based PSU. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Archbishop of Goa and Daman Philip Neri Ferrao has inaugurated the José Spiritual Renewal Centre at Cruz do Milagres, Monte Boa Vista, Old Goa. José will be canonized on 14 January 2015 by Pope Francis in Sri Lanka. The solemn Eucharistic celebration along with the rite of blessing was conducted by Archbishop. The said church was built in 1669 and now it has been renovated.
जुजेबाजाचें ओत्मीक नवसरणेचें केंद्र आमकां सगल्यांक एक देवाचें देणें जातलें. ह्या केंद्रांतल्यान जे भाशेन जेन्ना भक्तिवंत जुजेबाज ह्या मोठान जियेलो हांगासर ताणें देवाची कृपा सुबामपणी आपणायली आनी ही कृपा घेवन आपूण आमकां त्या काळायल्या भावां भयणींक एक देवाचे कृपेचें हातयार जालो. तेच भाशेन हें ओत्मीक नवसरणेचें केंद्र एक मागण्यांचें बोळाचें घर, पावर हावस ऑफ प्रेयर आनी आख्खे गोंयचे पवित्र सभेक देवाचे कृपेची एक जोर जातली म्हूण हांव दिता.
Seniority list of Goa Civil Service is still a tentative one. Following latest tentative seniority list, petitioner officer Elvis Gomes has withdrawn his plea before the High Court. Gomes, while withdrawing the petition, contended that he will raise his objections before the state government as agreed by the government. The High Court has granted all the related parties liberty to approach the court if they are not satisfied on the final seniority list.
The legal battle over seniority list of senior scale officers of Goa Civil Service has been paused as of now. Aggrieved officer Elvis Gomes withdrew his petition before the High Court on Monday. During the hearing, Gomes contended that the Goa government has come up with a new tentative seniority list and the government has sought objections from all the officers figuring in the list. Elvis Gomes further said that he wants to make a representation before the government on the tentative list. The High Court allowed Elvis Gomes to withdraw his petition. The court also granted liberty to all the related parties to approach the court if anybody is not satisfied with the final seniority list. Over the seniority list dated 19th August, Elvis Gomes had filed petition before the High Court objecting that officers Arun Desai and Sandeep Jacks have been wrongly placed senior to him. Now the state government on 12th November came up with new tentative seniority list. But in the tentative list too, both Arun Desai and Sandeep Jacks are placed above Elvis Gomes. Goa Civil Service Officers Seniority List has seen several amendments in the past and yet to get finalized. Possibility cannot be ruled out that when the government finalizes a new seniority list, a new round of legal proceeding may crop up again. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.